All right, so that's the view on delivery. But Shaina, now coming to you, you already mentioned your view about Geo Finance. So we have another query coming up for that counter. Bharatwaj from Coimbatore has written to us. They want to know if they should enter at the current price, and they're looking to hold the stock for next 2 to 4 years. So is it going to be a good buy?
Yeah, as I said earlier, I believe Geo Finance will give you a good return. But basically, I would hold it as a medium to longer term stock. Even at current levels, it's a good buy. As we've recently heard, as I mentioned, in mutual funds, they have raised funds through their joint venture with Blackstone. I believe they've already raised some more than $2 billion of funds in their mutual fund, equity and debt combined. This is only the start. You know, the joint venture just signed a couple of weeks earlier. So, and valuations also for Geo Finance are pretty attractive. At current levels, I think it's just about 1.2 times book. So it makes it attractive for both the medium as well as the longer term.
All right, moving on then to the next question that's coming in from Krishna, who's writing in from Goa. Krishna says that he's bought 70 shares of ONGC at a buying price of 252. It is, of course, he's sitting at a loss right now. He wants to normally keep it for the next 1 to 2 years. Should he be retaining this or selling this now? Kunal, what's your view on ONGC given the kind of fluctuations that we've seen on oil prices and the movement in the oil? Is it really advisable to keep ONGC for perhaps 1 to 2 years and wait it out?
In fact, I think that's the best strategy for a stock like ONGC because, I think ONGC, NTPC, they would tend to unfold bigger trends over a period of time. And, there will be phases of pause, where the stocks consolidate for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, or maybe more than that, in between. But then I think that's where patience gets tested for long-term investors. I think ONGC and NTPC, if I can probably club both of these stocks, they have entered into that kind of a space where these stocks are going through a time-wise consolidation. The long-term structure is still positive for both of these names. And I think that's one of the major reasons why I would believe that whenever this price consolidation ends, there is a very strong possibility that the uptrend will resume, and you might expect that in the next 1 or 2 years, these stocks may have capacity to even break past above the previous lifetime high levels. So I would suggest a hold on ONGC, provided you have a time frame of at least 1 to 2 years or more.
Okay, so then those are the levels to watch for NTPC. But moving on, NTPC and ONGC. Let's take a very short break on this edition of Buy Now, Sell Now. We'll be right back with more queries answered on the other side.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.